Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today we're diving into an ultimate collection of 35 new Woodpeckers workshop tools designed for perfect woodworking. From ultra-precision measuring tools to high-performance router bits in smart jigs, these tools are built to improve accuracy, efficiency, and professional-level results in every workshop. The Ultra-Shear solid carbide 4-flute conical ball nose bits are created for professionals who expect precision, smooth finishes, and long-term reliability from their cutting tools. Built from premium solid carbide, these bits offer exceptional durability, heat resistance, and edge retention during extended CNC operations. The 4-flute design significantly reduces vibration, allowing for cleaner cuts, finer details, and improved surface quality. Its conical ball nose shape is especially effective for 3D carving, engraving, contouring, and detailed relief work. These bits perform consistently on hardwoods, softwoods, plywood, MDF, and composite materials. Efficient chip evacuation helps prevent burning, clogging, and premature wear. Manufactured to Woodpeckers' professional standards, these bits deliver confidence, accuracy, and repeatable results for demanding woodworking and CNC projects. The stainless steel gauge blocks are precision measuring tools designed to bring accuracy, consistency, and confidence into every workshop setup. Ideal for woodworkers and machinists alike, these blocks eliminate guesswork from measuring, spacing, and alignment tasks. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they resist rust, corrosion, and daily wear, ensuring dependable performance over time. Each block is machined to tight tolerances, making them perfect for setting blade heights, router bit depths, fence spacings, and machine calibration. Smooth, flat surfaces allow the blocks to stack securely without shifting, providing reliable reference measurements. Clear engraved markings make identification quick and effortless. Built to Woodpeckers' exacting standards, these gauge blocks improve workflow efficiency while maintaining professional-level precision in every adjustment. The Ultra-Shear 3-flute bird's mouth bits are engineered for woodworkers who need fast material removal without sacrificing control or finish quality. Crafted from solid carbide, these bits provide excellent strength, long-lasting sharpness, and resistance to heat buildup during demanding cutting tasks. The unique bird's mouth cutting profile allows aggressive stock removal while still producing smoother edges than traditional straight bits. A balanced 3-flute design improves stability, reduces vibration, and enhances chip evacuation, even during deep or continuous cuts. These bits perform reliably on hardwoods, softwoods, plywood, MDF, and engineered materials. Designed to meet Woodpeckers' professional standards, they deliver speed, accuracy, and dependable performance for CNC routing, pocketing, and profiling applications.
The Woodpeckers' BigCal woodworking calipers offer unmatched measurement accuracy for both beginners and professionals. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, these oversized calipers provide bright, easy-to-read markings that eliminate guesswork in every measurement. Whether you're checking board thickness, inside dimensions, or setting up machinery, the BigCal ensures consistent precision within thousandths of an inch. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to maneuver, while its large jaws deliver exceptional reach for bigger materials. Woodworkers love its smooth action and dependable lock mechanism that keeps settings secure even during repetitive tasks. Perfect for joinery layout, machine calibration, or fine adjustments, the BigCal is a versatile tool that instantly improves your workflow. If you want reliable, shop-grade accuracy that boosts results on every project, this caliper set stands out as a top-tier measurement essential. The Woodpeckers' StabilMax RT Plus is engineered for woodworkers who demand stability at every cut. This tool provides unmatched router table support, dramatically reducing vibrations to produce cleaner, more accurate results. With its precision-machined aluminum construction, the StabilMax RT Plus gives your router operations a professional-grade foundation. Whether you're working with large panels, hardwoods, or intricate edge profiles, this system ensures your router stays perfectly aligned throughout the entire process. The smooth sliding fence system and sturdy support structure help maintain consistent pressure, reducing user fatigue and improving safety. Its compatibility with most router tables makes it a versatile upgrade for any workshop. If precision, durability, and reliability are your top priorities, the StabilMax RT Plus is a game changer. For woodworkers who want cleaner cuts and repeatable accuracy, this premium support system is a must-have addition to the shop. The Woodpeckers premium router table packages are built for woodworkers who want unmatched accuracy and stability in every routing task. These packages combine a heavy-duty table, precision machined plate, and a robust fence system engineered to deliver vibration-free performance. The laminated surface stays perfectly flat, ensuring consistent routing results even after years of use. The fence glides smoothly and locks firmly, giving you full control during edge shaping, joinery cuts, and template routing. Large ergonomic knobs, micro-adjust controls, and built-in dust management improve workflow and safety. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a full-time professional, this router table provides the solid foundation your projects deserve. When paired with Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear bits, the system delivers flawless cuts that elevate the quality of every woodworking project. If precision routing is a priority, this package is one of the best upgrades you can invest in. The Ultra-Shear 36-tooth lumber blade by Woodpeckers is designed for woodworkers who need cleaner, faster, and more controlled cuts. Engineered with premium carbide teeth, this blade excels in ripping and cross-cutting both hardwoods and softwoods. Its laser-cut stabilizer vents reduce vibration and heat buildup, ensuring smoother operation and longer blade life. The blade's precise tooth geometry delivers flawless cuts with minimal tear-out, making it ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, and finish-grade work. Its balanced design reduces strain on the saw motor, improving efficiency and reducing noise during operation. Whether you're handling dimensional lumber or high-quality hardwood boards, the Ultra-Shear blade ensures every cut remains sharp, accurate, and consistent. If you're looking for a dependable table saw blade that performs at a professional level, this one is crafted to exceed expectations. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Stacked Dado Set 2.0 delivers exceptional precision for joinery tasks such as dados, rabbets, and grooves. Constructed with premium carbide cutters, this upgraded set ensures incredibly clean edges with reduced tear-out across plywood, hardwood, and composite materials. The plates and chippers are precision machined for perfect flat bottom cuts, eliminating ridge lines commonly seen in lower-grade dado sets. With easy-to-read laser markings and perfectly balanced components, adjustments are smooth and setup is straightforward. The vibration-minimizing design ensures quieter operation and improved cut consistency. Whether you're crafting shelves, frames, drawer boxes, or cabinetry components, this dado set elevates the quality of your joinery and provides reliable results every time. If you want flawless dados without tedious cleanup or sanding, this dado set is a highly reliable choice for any woodworking shop. The Woodpeckers Juice Groove Jig is the perfect solution for woodworkers creating cutting boards, serving trays, and kitchenware with clean, professional-looking juice grooves. Designed for use with a router, this jig delivers consistent, repeatable results without complex measurements or time-consuming layout work. Its sturdy construction keeps the router base stable, ensuring smooth, even cuts along the entire perimeter of your project. With adjustable settings, you can fine-tune groove widths and offsets to suit various board sizes and styles. This jig is especially useful for beginners who want flawless grooves without trial and error. The non-slip base holds securely, preventing movement during routing. Whether you're selling cutting boards or crafting gifts, this jig elevates the final look of every piece. For clean, uniform juice grooves that impress every time, this tool is a must-have. The Woodpeckers Microbearing flush trim bit is engineered for ultra-clean template routing with unmatched precision and control. Featuring a microbearing, this bit reduces friction, improves accuracy, and minimizes surface marring during flush trimming and template replication. The carbide cutting edges stay sharp even through heavy use, making it a reliable choice for demanding projects. Whether you're shaping curved pieces, flush trimming veneers, or refining joinery, this bit provides superior results with less tear-out. Its smaller bearing lets you get into tighter radiuses, enabling cleaner curves and detailed work. The balanced design reduces vibration, making your cuts smoother and safer. If you regularly work with templates, patterns, or detailed shaping tasks, this flush trim bit offers professional-grade accuracy that instantly improves your results. It's a small tool that delivers a big upgrade to your woodworking precision. The Ultra-Shear solid carbide engraving bits are designed for precision detailing and intricate woodworking tasks. Built from high-quality carbide, these bits maintain sharp edges through repeated use, cutting smoothly across hardwoods, MDF, and plywood. Their unique geometry allows for clean, crisp engraving lines and fine lettering, making them ideal for signage, decorative panels, and custom furniture accents. The balanced design minimizes vibration, improving both accuracy and control during operation. Whether for professional projects or detailed hobby work, they ensure every cut is sharp, precise, and repeatable, elevating the quality and finish of every piece. The Woodpecker stainless steel mini squares are compact yet indispensable tools for layout, marking, and measuring precise right angles. Made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, these mini squares provide long-lasting accuracy for small and medium-sized woodworking projects. Their sturdy construction ensures the arms remain rigid, maintaining perfect 90-degree angles even under repeated use. Ideal for dovetailing, mortise and tenon work, and cabinet joinery, these squares help woodworkers achieve professional-grade alignment with ease. The etched measurement markings are easy to read, eliminating guesswork, while the lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use. Portable and reliable, these mini squares are perfect for both shop and on-site work. For anyone seeking compact, durable, and accurate layout tools, the Woodpecker stainless steel mini squares are an essential addition to any toolkit. Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear plywood-sized bits are engineered for precision and smooth performance when working with plywood and laminated boards. Featuring high-grade carbide tips, these bits produce clean edges and reduce tear-out, delivering professional-quality results every time. The bit's geometry is optimized for chip evacuation, minimizing heat buildup and prolonging tool life. The durable shank ensures stability and prevents wobble during operation, improving both safety and accuracy. Woodworkers benefit from consistent, repeatable results, whether creating cabinets, shelving, or decorative panels. These bits are perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike who demand precise, clean cuts with minimal finishing. For flawless plywood work, the Ultra-Shear plywood-sized bits are a must-have in any workshop. The Woodpecker stainless steel setup square offers exacting precision for layout and machinery setup. Constructed from premium stainless steel, this square resists rust, maintains dimensional stability, and provides long-lasting accuracy. Its broad blade and thick body ensure rigidity, making it ideal for marking, checking, and aligning workpieces. Whether calibrating table saw fences, setting up joinery, or measuring stock, this square delivers reliable and repeatable results. Etched measurement markings enhance visibility, while the smooth edges allow for easy scribing and pencil placement. Professionals appreciate its accuracy when performing high-stakes cuts where precision matters. Lightweight yet robust, it's an essential tool for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and hobbyists alike. Incorporating the stainless steel setup square into your workflow reduces errors, increases efficiency, and ensures consistently professional quality work across all projects. The SF Pro Universal from Woodpeckers is a versatile, multi-purpose tool designed to streamline measurement, marking, and layout tasks in woodworking. Its adjustable arms and precise locking mechanism make it ideal for transferring dimensions, marking angles, and ensuring consistent repeatability across multiple workpieces. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it offers stability and durability, standing up to rigorous shop use without warping or bending. The etched scales provide clear, readable measurements, while the compact design ensures easy handling and storage. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or custom joinery, the SF Pro Universal helps eliminate errors and improve workflow. Woodworkers appreciate its versatility, accuracy, and ability to replace multiple single-purpose tools. For those who value efficiency, precision, and reliability, this tool is an indispensable addition to the shop. The Ultra-Shear juice groove bits deliver exceptional performance when crafting juice grooves in cutting boards and serving trays. Engineered with premium carbide tips, these bits cut smooth, uniform channels that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Their geometry reduces tear-out and ensures clean edges, even on hardwoods and laminates. Compatible with most routers, they allow precise depth control and repeatable results across multiple boards. The balanced design minimizes vibration, improving safety and control during operation. Ideal for both hobbyists and professionals, these bits save time and effort while delivering superior results. Whether for personal projects or products for sale, Ultra-Shear juice groove bits ensure every groove is crisp, consistent, and visually appealing. They are essential for anyone seeking precision and quality in cutting board woodworking. The Woodpeckers SSE steel straight edge provides unmatched accuracy for cutting, marking, and aligning large panels or long boards. Made from hardened stainless steel, it resists bending and warping, delivering precise, reliable results over time. Its flat, smooth surface allows for exact placement and clean scribing with pencils or knives. Lightweight yet rigid, it is easy to handle for long measurements, while the marked scale ensures accurate, repeatable layout lines. Ideal for table saw setups, panel cutting, and furniture assembly, this straight edge reduces errors and increases efficiency. Professionals rely on its durability and precision for high-quality projects. Whether for cutting, drawing, or guiding machinery, the SSE steel straight edge is an essential tool for any woodworking shop aiming for accuracy and consistency. Woodpecker's bench chisels are crafted for precision woodworking, providing durability, sharpness, and exceptional control. Made from high-carbon steel, these chisels maintain their edge even with frequent use, allowing clean cuts through hardwoods, softwoods, and composite materials. The ergonomically designed handle ensures comfort during extended tasks, while the tapered blade delivers accurate paring, mortising, and trimming. Whether shaping joinery, cleaning dados, or fine-tuning furniture components, these chisels provide professional-grade performance. Woodworkers appreciate the precise bevel angle, which allows effortless cutting without excessive force. With a consistent, sharp edge and balanced design, bench chisels are perfect for both hobbyists and professionals seeking reliable, high-quality hand tools. Incorporating them into your workflow elevates the craftsmanship and finish of every woodworking project. Woodpecker's combination squares combine multiple layout and measurement functions into one compact tool. Made from precision ground stainless steel, they provide durable, accurate performance for marking 90-degree and 45-degree angles. The adjustable head allows for depth measurements, scribing, and layout verification, making it versatile for cabinetry, furniture, and joinery projects. Etched markings ensure clear readings, while the solid construction maintains alignment over repeated use. Ideal for woodworkers seeking one tool to perform multiple functions, these squares save time and reduce errors in the shop. Lightweight and portable, they are easy to carry to any project site. For precise layout, marking, and measurement, Woodpecker's combination squares deliver reliability, accuracy, and long-lasting performance, making them essential in any professional or hobbyist workshop.
The Woodpecker's Indexable Combination Square is a professional-grade measuring tool designed for maximum accuracy in woodworking projects. Crafted from stainless steel, it offers precise 90-degree and 45-degree angles, ideal for layout, marking, and assembly tasks. Its innovative Indexable feature allows woodworkers to mark repeat measurements efficiently, saving time and reducing errors during complex cuts. The etched graduations are easy to read, ensuring consistent results, while the sturdy construction guarantees long-term durability even with heavy workshop use. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture making, or general woodworking, this combination square helps achieve clean joints and perfectly aligned assemblies. Its ergonomic handle enhances control, while the compact design fits seamlessly into any toolbox or workbench setup. For both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this square is an essential tool that elevates the quality of every project. The Steady Curve 2.0 is a revolutionary woodworking tool designed to simplify the process of marking and cutting curves. Its adjustable guides allow for smooth, repeatable curves on panels, doors, and custom furniture pieces, reducing setup time and increasing consistency. Constructed with high-quality materials, the Steady Curve 2.0 is both durable and lightweight, making it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during precision work, while its compact size allows for convenient storage in any workshop. Perfect for professional woodworkers and serious hobbyists, this tool provides an efficient way to create elegant, precise curves in various projects. With the Steady Curve 2.0, even complex curved cuts become straightforward, ensuring your work maintains a professional finish. It's a must-have tool for anyone looking to elevate the craftsmanship of their woodworking projects. The Ultra-Shear V-Groove finger grip bits from Woodpeckers are engineered for precise V-grooves and decorative joinery. Featuring high-quality carbide tips, these bits stay sharp longer and produce clean, smooth cuts with minimal tear-out and enhanced finish quality. Easy to use on detailed projects and ideal for cabinet fronts, decorative panels, and drawer faces, these bits ensure repeatable, professional-grade results. Compatible with a wide range of routers, they are suitable for both home shops and professional workshops. The Ultra-Shear geometry minimizes material stress while maximizing cutting efficiency. Woodworkers who prioritize precision and aesthetics will find these V-groove bits indispensable for elevating the appearance and craftsmanship of their work. Perfect for adding fine detailing and intricate joinery elements, they are a small tool that makes a significant difference in woodworking quality. The adjusted joint box joint sled is designed to make perfect box joints fast, precise, and repeatable. Engineered for table saws, this sled allows woodworkers to adjust joint spacing easily, eliminating guesswork and ensuring consistent alignment on each cut. Its durable construction ensures stability, while the adjustable fence accommodates a variety of stock sizes. Perfect for drawers, boxes, and other joinery projects, the sled simplifies setup, reduces errors, and speeds up production. The integrated clamps and guides hold the workpiece securely, ensuring clean, tight joints every time. Ideal for both professional workshops and serious hobbyists, the adjusted joint sled elevates efficiency and accuracy in repetitive woodworking tasks. With this sled, creating high-quality joinery becomes effortless, and projects maintain a professional finish. It is a must-have addition for anyone seeking precision and reliability in box joint construction. The 3-flute carbide-tipped roundover bits from Woodpeckers are designed for smooth, precise edge profiling. Made with premium carbide tips, these bits maintain sharpness longer and produce clean, consistent rounds on hardwoods, softwoods, and composite materials. The 3-flute design ensures efficient material removal while minimizing tear-out and enhancing finish quality. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and decorative trim, these bits allow woodworkers to create professional-looking rounded edges effortlessly. Their ergonomic shank design provides stability and reduces vibration during routing, improving control and safety. Suitable for both handheld routers and table-mounted setups, these roundover bits are versatile, durable, and perfect for repeated use in busy workshops. Whether shaping edges on doors, drawer fronts, or tabletops, these bits deliver precise, clean results every time, making them an essential tool for craftsmen and woodworking enthusiasts seeking superior finish quality. The Woodpeckers' Dado setup fixture and gap gauges are essential tools for accurate dado and groove cutting. Designed to work with table saws, this fixture allows woodworkers to set blade heights and fence distances quickly, eliminating guesswork and ensuring precise, repeatable cuts. The included gap gauges help verify fit, ensuring your joints are tight and professional. Constructed from durable materials, this setup fixture withstands heavy use in professional and hobbyist workshops alike. Ideal for cabinetry, shelving, and furniture joinery, it improves workflow efficiency and reduces material waste. By simplifying the process of setting dados, this tool saves time and enhances accuracy. Whether cutting single or multiple grooves, the Dado setup fixture and gap gauges provide consistency, reliability, and confidence in every cut. Perfect for woodworkers aiming for clean, precise joinery and high-quality results in their projects. The Woodpeckers' stainless steel pocket compasses are compact, precision tools ideal for marking and transferring angles with accuracy. Made from stainless steel, these compasses offer durability, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance in any workshop environment. The finely graduated markings make it easy to measure and replicate angles precisely, whether for woodworking, metalworking, or other craft projects. Its portable design allows woodworkers to carry it anywhere, making it ideal for both on-site and shop use. The robust locking mechanism keeps settings stable during use, preventing errors while marking arcs or circles. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture making, and custom woodworking, the pocket compass ensures consistent and professional results. Lightweight, ergonomic, and highly reliable, this tool is a must-have for woodworkers who value accuracy and efficiency in every project. The Ultra-Shear plunging pattern bits by Woodpeckers are designed for precision routing and pattern work. Featuring premium carbide tips, these bits maintain sharpness and deliver clean, smooth cuts every time. Their plunging design allows woodworkers to start cuts in the middle of the workpiece, enabling intricate patterns, templates, and joinery with ease. The Ultra-Shear geometry reduces tear-out and ensures consistent material removal even on hardwoods. Ideal for cabinetry, decorative panels, and furniture detailing, these bits provide superior control and repeatability. The ergonomic shank design improves stability and reduces vibration during routing, enhancing both safety and accuracy. Perfect for both professional shops and DIY enthusiasts, these bits are an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit, allowing for complex and precise cuts that elevate the craftsmanship of every project. The Ultra-Shear compact pattern and mortising bits provide woodworkers with versatile, high-performance routing solutions. Engineered with durable carbide tips, these bits deliver clean, precise cuts for both pattern routing and mortising tasks. The compact design allows for greater control, making it easier to handle intricate shapes and confined spaces. Ideal for creating precise joinery, decorative grooves, and repeated patterns, these bits enhance accuracy and efficiency in any workshop. The Ultra-Shear geometry minimizes tear-out and ensures smooth edges, even on hardwoods. Suitable for professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike, these bits are compatible with most routers and templates, providing repeatable results with every use. By integrating these versatile bits into your workflow, you can achieve higher quality joinery and decorative work while saving time and reducing errors. Perfect for elevating your woodworking projects with professional precision and finish. The 12-in-1 Woodwork tool is an all-in-one solution for woodworkers seeking versatility and efficiency. Combining multiple measuring, marking, and layout functions, this tool reduces the need for multiple separate instruments in your workshop. It offers accurate angle measurement, depth marking, and component alignment, making complex woodworking tasks simpler and faster. Crafted with high-quality materials, the 12-in-1 Woodwork tool provides durability and reliable performance for years of use. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and general woodworking, it helps maintain precision across a wide range of projects. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the compact form allows easy storage and portability. Perfect for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, this multifunctional tool streamlines your workflow, saves space, and enhances accuracy, making it an essential addition to any well-equipped workshop. Easy Drive for Slab Flattening Mills by Woodpeckers is a versatile tool designed to simplify the flattening of large wooden slabs. It allows woodworkers to make quick, precise adjustments while ensuring consistent depth and accuracy across the entire surface. Compatible with most slab flattening setups, the Easy Drive reduces setup time and minimizes errors, making it ideal for professional shops and hobbyists alike. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while the ergonomic design makes operation comfortable during extended sessions. Perfect for flattening tabletops, cabinet panels, and other large wooden surfaces, this tool streamlines the workflow and delivers a professional-grade finish. Integrating the Easy Drive into your workshop enhances efficiency, improves accuracy, and reduces the physical effort required during slab flattening, making it a must-have for woodworkers aiming for high-quality results. The Woodpeckers Jigsaw handle is a precision accessory that enhances control and comfort when operating jigsaws. Designed to fit various models, it provides a stable grip and reduces vibration, allowing for smoother, more accurate cuts. Ideal for curved, intricate, or repetitive cuts, this handle improves cutting accuracy while minimizing hand fatigue during long woodworking sessions. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding workshop environments. Woodworkers can achieve cleaner edges, consistent performance, and better ergonomics with this accessory. Perfect for cabinet making, decorative woodworking, and DIY projects, the Jigsaw handle is a simple yet highly effective upgrade for improving your cutting control. Integrating this tool into your workflow allows for greater precision, safer operation, and enhanced comfort, making it a practical addition to any workshop toolkit. The Pen Mill C is a precision milling tool designed for fine woodworking and small-scale projects. Perfect for creating pen blanks, small detailed carvings, or decorative components, this mill offers accuracy and control that professional woodworkers demand. Its robust construction ensures stability during operation, while the ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue. Compatible with a range of workbenches and milling setups, the Pen Mill C delivers repeatable results, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professional artisans. The tool allows for intricate shaping, precise drilling, and smooth finishes on small wooden pieces. By integrating the Pen Mill C into your workshop, you can expand your capabilities for crafting custom pens, small wooden accessories, and fine decorative items. This compact yet powerful tool enhances both creativity and efficiency in specialized woodworking tasks, making it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. The Ultra-Shear Microbearing Roundover bits from Woodpeckers are designed for precision edge profiling on hardwoods, softwoods, and composite materials. Equipped with a micro-bearing guide, these bits deliver smooth, consistent rounded edges while preventing tear-out and minimizing material damage. The carbide-tipped cutting surfaces maintain sharpness, providing long-lasting performance and clean, professional finishes. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture edges, drawer fronts, and decorative trim, these bits enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your projects. The ergonomic design ensures stability and control during routing, making repetitive tasks less tiring and more accurate. Perfect for professional wood shops and DIY enthusiasts, the Ultra-Shear Micro-Bearing Roundover bits allow for superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. Adding them to your toolkit ensures precise, elegant edge finishing and boosts the overall quality of your woodworking projects. The Add-an-Inch Block by Woodpeckers is a precision measuring tool designed to simplify repetitive marking and layout tasks. This small yet highly accurate block allows woodworkers to quickly add or measure exact increments, reducing errors and saving time during projects. Constructed from durable materials, it maintains its dimensional stability even with frequent use in busy workshops. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and general woodworking, the Add-an-Inch Block ensures consistent measurements for joinery, panel layouts, and spacing tasks. Its compact design makes it easy to store or carry on site, while its precise edges guarantee accurate marking every time. By incorporating this tool into your workflow, woodworkers can achieve higher accuracy, improve efficiency, and maintain professional-grade quality throughout each project. The Add-an-Inch Block is an essential addition to any precise woodworking toolkit. The Woodpeckers Blade Saver is a precision accessory designed to protect your rounder bits, saw blades, and cutting tools from accidental damage during storage and handling. Crafted from high-quality materials, it absorbs shocks and prevents chipping or dulling of cutting edges, extending the lifespan of your valuable tools. Perfect for professional workshops and hobbyists alike, this blade saver ensures your investment in carbide and high-speed steel blades remains protected. Its compact design allows for easy storage in drawers or toolboxes, keeping your workspace organized. Additionally, it provides safety for operators by preventing contact with sharp edges when retrieving or transporting tools. Ideal for all types of blades, including roundover, straight, and specialty bits, the Blade Saver minimizes downtime due to damaged tools and improves workflow efficiency. Adding this accessory to your toolkit is essential for maintaining precision and safeguarding your woodworking equipment. That wraps up our complete showcase of 35 new Woodpeckers workshop tools. If precision, reliability, and professional results matter in your woodworking, these tools are worth checking out. Don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow woodworkers, and subscribe to Power Tools Pro for more premium tool reviews and woodworking inspiration.